I got, I don't know if you can see that. Baby purple potatoes are really super good. They are actually purple in color, even if you cut them in half, which I'll do that right now. And that's even, you cut them open. So yeah, potatoes. This is just chicken. It's still frozen and reports some Italian dressing in it. Very little bit of water. But you can go ahead and you can just drop your purple or whatever potatoes you choose to use. If you're using the little ones, then you just use the bag of little ones. But if you're using big, then you probably want to just maybe have them or quarter them. So we'll just go ahead and we'll dump them right on top. And these I like really good. I like the yellow ones too. So just like I like the yellows as well. Because I will add a little bit of water to that. Simply because of the fact that it's frozen. I just want to make sure that we get a little bit more water in there. You don't need much in there to make sure it steams because this is in a pressure cooker. Just for a little bit. You don't have to cover them. Water on it and wash the potatoes and the chicken, of course. Poured maybe 1 cup of water tops. Then we're just going to go ahead and then you close the pressure cooker. So then you want to make sure that it's closed off for the steam. So and then we're going to plug it in and we will set it for the chicken. And this is just one of the cheaper pressure cookers, kind of like the Insta-pot. But push start. 6. Okay. Now let's go ahead and push start, and dinner will be ready. Okay. I was a little bit late on that, but yes, the steamer already did leave it, so it didn't burst out. And here's our food. Let's zoom in on that without getting the lens off foggy if we can help it. And let's check that meat. Because I don't want... Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and try to find me some chicken here. And if it's not done, I'll just send it through one more time. You don't really necessarily have to. I don't have a meat thermometer right now, which I do need to get me one. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all falling apart. Look at that. Now, oh, really fell apart. But that's done, and your potatoes are done same time. Nice. So, in order to make cilantro, all you need is a cucumber. I peeled it and then scooped the seeds out. You can leave the seeds, but a lot of people just don't like the seeds. So yes, now we're going to just be dicing it up and then throwing it into the silver bowl over here. Okay, now once you got the tomato washed and cut the core out and then diced it up into pretty small bits, small as you like actually, whatever suits you. All together here. It's quite easy. Oh, looks like we have little clicks of I don't know. That's alright. You can leave it peeled on there if you want it, but you don't have to. And it's quite simple, really. You usually use olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, or anything like that. You just give it a really, not a whole lot, maybe a couple spoons of oil. Just drizzle it just really lightly because you don't want this too heavy. Try not to pour too much. Whatever kind of oil you like. Then you can also salt to your liking. Just whatever you like. Oh, I got stuck to my hand here. I try to do this because I don't want to put too much in, so I kind of want to control it. so dry from washing 24/7. And you give that a toss, and you know, some people, if you like it spicy, go ahead and cut up a jalapeno. But I do take the seeds out of that, so no one has a hurt stomach from the seeds. So if you want, and this is what it looks like when it's all finished. It's a good helping amount. The Insta-pot works great, but this is the knockoff. I think I paid like $43 or $46 for this. It works great. I cooked the chicken frozen, totally done, falling apart, and it was all under probably about 45 minutes or so. Extremely easy prepared. Thanks for watching.